Have you ever tried using Waze in your driveway while it's still connected to your Starlink Wi-Fi and the connection is so bad that the maps won't load? In this video, I'll show you how you can fix slow Starlink speeds, especially at the edge of your Starlink's Wi-Fi range, so you can use Waze anywhere without issues. Starlink is the best satellite internet solution right now, but there are still lots of ways it can give you connection issues. One issue that often slows down Waze when you're leaving your house is the limit of your Starlink router's Wi-Fi range. If it's not obstructed, the Starlink router can reach over 300 feet, but the walls and furniture in your house usually prevent it from reaching that far. The secret to cutting out this issue is bringing an additional internet connection into the mix. That connection could be 4G or 5G or DSL, it could even be another Starlink. The more internet connections you combine with your Starlink, the more you can fill in any gaps in your connection stability and keep your internet fast even when your Starlink slows down. Now you may be wondering, how do you combine another internet connection with your Starlink? Just download Speedify. Speedify uses a unique technology called channel bonding to intelligently send and receive your internet traffic over multiple internet sources at the same time. This means it can increase your bandwidth. As you add more connections, this results in a stable connection even for Waze, as you get too far away from your router. Plus, if there are other people with you in your car, you can add more cellular connections for even more bandwidth and stability wirelessly. Speedify lets you wirelessly pair as many devices as you want to share your cellular over the local network. The more devices you pair, the stronger your connection will be. All you need to do is connect everyone to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot, download Speedify for free on all your devices, and pair phones in the Speedify app to share cellular. This is what we call pair and share. So if you're tired of issues with Waze, you know what to do. Download Speedify today from the Google Play or Apple App stores and enjoy a better, faster, more stable, and secure internet. If you liked this, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips just like this.